Well, Bitcoin is taking a tumble to the downside, so I did want to look at Moodeng. I have had open positions on this. I initially entered my position, my short at like 44 cents or 4.4 cents. Then it came like down here, somewhere around here. I added to my short. My average price then went down to 42.02, and now I'm glad I did that last night or yesterday, because now this morning I obviously have massive move to the downside, and that's where I sit right now. So I'm doing this trade in the 50-minute time frame right now. My stop loss is right up there. No, I think it's down here. I put my stop loss in about $50 profit. It's not a huge position, but my stop loss is 37 or 36 or something like that. It's around that level right now. And I could even right now, overall, I can move my stop even right here to 35, because if you get above that, you're likely to get a move back to the upside. But if Bitcoin keeps tumbling, I see this going to the downside as well. So for right now, my stop is around 36 or 37. I don't remember exactly, and I can't lose this trade. So we'll see what happens. A 50-minute time frame made a lower high, significant lower high. The previous high on the 50-minute time frame was all the way up here at 40.5, and now you're making a lower high below 35. So that is bearish to me. Obviously, this is an indicator that I've used in the past. I've just brought it back for this coin. I wanted to see where it was at compared to the 200-day smooth moving average. This is an Ikimoki cloud. This suggests that if you don't break 36.21, you should stay short. If you touch that level, you should get out of a trade. But anyways, that is what I see going on for this. I do see more downside likely. Let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is oversold. Can you get the bounce? So far, it's lackluster. The 2 hour looks good. The 3 hour time frame never got oversold, so that doesn't look very good to me. The 4 hour time frame suggests that you've bottomed short term, but that doesn't mean much to me. Like the 4 hour time frame right here got oversold, and then you got overbought, and you really got no bounce to the upside to speak of, at least for that time frame. So to me, again, this is the all-time lows. It's not all-time lows. I mean, it did come out at like a 10K market cap, but on exchanges, this is all-time lows. So we'll see what happens, but to me, this is bearish, and I would be looking for more downside on Moodeng. And I mean, at this point, maybe I should be looking at like the trading view chart, because that has the best data. So let me see if I can look at that really quickly. By the way, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video. I do appreciate it. That is not going to be the right Moodeng. So let me go down. Yeah, this looks like the right price. Let me add this to my watch list. I mean, the market cap right now is only... No, that's not the right one either. Market cap is 34 million on the correct one. So, is this it maybe? Yeah, here we go. No, that doesn't look right either. Oh, this is a 3-minute time frame. That could be part of the problem. On DEX tools, probably most of the liquidity is going to be on exchanges. So on DEX tools, the volume isn't looking great. But that doesn't even look right, because the price would have more volume than that. It says that there's been no volume today. 43 cents of volume. So that can't even be. The market cap was right, but the volume wasn't that right. So maybe I should figure this out and then come back and do another video on it. This was on the Solana chain. It was launched on Solana. Is this it? This looks more accurate. Here we go. I should have done that to begin with. So really, you'd have to go back. Let me see if I can go full screen here. And Moodeng right now, your next support that I see would be, you're already below that. So, I mean, to me, again, you're basically at all-time lows. This is not a good look for Moodeng. And I've seen a lot of these coins, I've seen a lot of meme coins that, pump, and then like 6 months later, especially when Bitcoin gets bearish, they just go to zero. These are the next levels I'd watch. So from now on, I'm probably going to start using this chart. Like to trade, I might use the other chart. But, this, we'll see. But this is what I see. Like Moodeng right now is not looking good. So really, here you go. The next support that I see is 26. You could even say maybe 31 is support. But no, I would say that wick right there. So I would say 26, $26 million market cap is support, but not strong support. Well, I would say it's decent support. And then your next strong support that I see is 14 million. So we'll see what happens, but to me, Moodeng right now is bearish. That's all I got. These are the levels I'd watch for if you continue going to the downside, which I don't see why we shouldn't, unless you can break 35, so 3.5 cents. With that being said, guys, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers, and I'll be live on Monday, tomorrow night, 11 p.m. Central Time. Until then, trade safe, and have a great